How to save an image locally using Python, whose URL address I already know? I know the URL of an image on internet. For example, this URL, which contains the logo of Google. Now, how can I download this image using Python without actually opening the URL in a browser and saving the file manually?
Python 2. Here is a more straightforward way if all you want to do is save it as a file. The second argument is the local path where the file should be saved. Python 3. As Sergo suggested, the code below should work with Python 3.
File 01.jpg will contain your image.
I wrote a script that does just this, and it is available on my GitHub for your use. I utilized Beautiful Soup to allow me to parse any website for images. If you will be doing much web scraping, or intend to use my tool, I suggest you sudo pip install Beautiful Soup. Information on Beautiful Soup is available here. For convenience, here is my code.
This can be done with requests. Load the page and dump the binary content to a file,